before we can move so far, I realize that there's something I've not explained in my code. So there's this first part where there's a hash and then there's output your hello world. So this ideally is what we call commenting. So commenting is it is part of code that will not be executed by our script. Part of code that will not be executed while running our script. While running our script. I believe we've been able to see that when we printed the word hello world. So that is something about comments. Now I'd like us to also look at how how Python generally executes how code is executed in Python. So generally, let us output like three words. Let us output three strings. Let's see. Can do print do hello George. I think we had done this one before. We can now also do, maybe we can print out some multiplication or something of this sort. We can do 20 times 10. Yes. So now once we do this, let's hit run Python file on your top right. Once we do that, let's see what happens. So once we executed our code, what we had hello world followed by hello George, and then we are followed by a number that is 200. That is 20 times 10, which is 200. So from this we're able to know that Python executes code line by line. So ideally, in Python, this is how code is executed, one line after the other. So print hello world is executed first, and then print hello George next, and then print 20 times 10. So always remember that in Python, code is executed one line at a time.